This is what used to be Max's ball. This is what he wants me to throw. Back. Really, Max? That's what you want me to throw? Can't reach it. Can't find it. Alright then. That's what he wants me to throw. Like this. Let's see. He can't even find it himself. Oh. Wait. Remember, this. Oh, wait, it's right here. Right there. Oh, right there. Nope. Oh, you missed it. Oh, he found it. Oh, I can't reach it. Can't reach it. Can't reach it. Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Max? Where's the ball? Oh my goodness. Oh, there it is. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?